Hey everyone, in this question we are going to discuss a basic calculus problem. So f dash of x is given, the derivative of function, it is 6x by x square plus 1. And there is another clue, the f of x passed through 1, 5. So find an expression for f of x. So it is like a reverse process. Derivative is given, I want to get the actual function. So I need to integrate here. Let's start. So for my convenience, I'm going to write it this way. F dash of x means, what is the other way to write? It's dy by dx, isn't it? So dy by dx equal 6x by x square plus 1. And I can integrate. So first let me take the dx over there. So dy equal 6x by x square plus 1 dx, and integrate on both the sides. Indefinite integration. So integrating dy, you will get y equal. Okay, so this right side is little complicated. So right, it's not a direct formula, but we can, so when x square differentiation, so x square plus 1, when you differentiate, we can get the numerical part. So let's apply the first technique, substitution method. Okay, so the denominator is a problem. Let me take that u is equal to x square plus 1. And what happened? Du by dx is 2x, right? And 1 will become 0. So from this, I can write my dx as, so dx will go there, this will just exchange, you will get du by 2x. So I got an expression for dx. I'm going to replace my x squared 1 with u. And yeah, so let's try. Integral dy equal integral 6x, let it be as it is, x squared plus 1, we have changed to u. And dx, we have an expression, which is du by 2x. Now, let me cancel this, like x get cancelled. So integrate 6 by 2 also, like 1 times, 3 times. So 3, let me take common. I got 1 by u d. This is a direct formula, which is ln u. Right? So let me substitute. Basically, we'll use the mod. So this side, yeah, it will become y. Y is equal to 3 ln modulus u plus important concept of integration. Okay, I got my f of x. No. So the problem is that what is it constant? We need to find it. Only the function should be made up of. Also, one more thing, we still have u. We didn't have x now. So here you need to replace with x. So almost we simplified, right? So no need of the u as of now. So replace u with whatever we substitute. We replaced x square plus 1. So this will become y is equal to 3 ln modulus x square plus 1 plus c. Also, we can ignore the modulus here because it's itself a positive one, right? X square plus 1. So that's fine. No need of that modulus. So we got it, and still c is a problem. Let's find c. Next one. To find c, what we're going to do? Yeah, there is one more clue given, which is y is equal to f of x passed through the point 1, 5. So y means f of x, right? I can write it like f of x is equal to 3 ln x square plus 1 plus c, and it passes through 1, 5. So direct substitution, which means in this particular graph, like this point lie on that graph. Substituting in place of f of x, let me put 5. That is the y. 3 ln x square. X is going to be 1. Okay. So 1 square plus 1 plus c, and this gives us the c value, which is 5 equal 3 ln 2 plus c, and c is 5 minus 3 ln 2. 10. So now we need to substitute it right back this here, and we will get the complete f of x. So let me write f of x is equal to first 3 ln x square plus 1, 3 ln x square plus 1, then plus c, this is my c, plus 5 minus 3 ln 2. Yeah, further simplification also can be done. This is the answer, but the best answer, let's try to give 3 ln x square plus 1 minus 3 ln 2. So take the 3 common and you'll get ln x square plus 1 minus ln 2 plus 5 is equal. So 3 single ln. So ln n m minus ln n. So that difference rule will go like x square plus 1 by 2. This is the rule I have applied. Ln m minus ln n equal. If you want to make condense this, ln m by n. So that's simple. We have simplified this, and this is the desired f of x, and f of x is complete form. Yeah, thank you for listening. Let's meet in the next video.